Hello YouTube, James with JC Motorworks here. Got a new project. It's not really a new project. I've had it for about a year and a half. It's just been on the back burner. It's a 1973 Volkswagen thing. Bought this car a year and a half ago with the hopes of restoring it. Well, not really restoring it. I'm not doing a factory restoration. Resto-modding this car. I've been buying chassis parts here and there for the last year and a half. I'm going to do a ground up resto mod on it, starting with all new running gear, new floor pans, the whole 9 yards with that, and then do the body work. Started working on the car in November of 2024. Found out that the tunnel in the frame was just rotted. I mean, just roached. You could take a screwdriver and put through the bottom of the center of the tunnel. The rear frame horns that the engine and transmission are supported on were almost completely rotted through. So in December, I found a tunnel that came off of a Karmann Ghia. Karmann Ghia and a Volkswagen thing share the same floor pan. I believe they're about 3 inches wider than a Volkswagen Bug. Don't quote me on that. Got that Karmann Ghia tunnel all stripped down, the floor pans, what was left of them, off of the central tunnel. Got all the tar board and everything off of that central tunnel, stripped down the bare metal. Was getting ready to order my floor pans, and then I fell and broke my leg. Talk about putting the brakes on a project. After I broke my leg, and while I was recovering from that, I decided when I start working on this project again, I'm going to record my progress and work on the car. I'm not going to do this as a how-to channel. I don't want this to be a how-to channel. I'm going to do this as how I do it channel. Might not be the right way, might not be your way, might be some backwards way. But it's going to be how I know how to do things to the best of my ability. And I'm going to make this car the best I can. Put a bigger motor in it than what came factory. Custom color. Haven't quite made up my mind yet on that, what color it'll be. I'll cross that bridge when I get there. But now that I've ordered the floor pans for this Volkswagen thing, I can start finally working on it again. And this is my first of many videos that'll come on this channel of me working on this car. If you like classic car content, restoration content, air-cooled Volkswagen content, engine building content, car show content, this channel might be for you. Give me a little subscribe and follow, and hit the little dingle bell, and you'll get updates on all the upcoming videos when they post. Really excited to get working on this and pour some gas into this project. Ordered the new floor pans. They arrived right before 4th of July weekend. Gonna get those probably put on the tunnel and trimmed to fit this weekend and get those welded in. And then I'm going to acid wash the floor pans and get them ready to have POR 15 put on them. And after that cures, I'll scuff it, and then I'm going to Raptor line excuse me, the floor pans. And after that, I'll start doing all the running gear and chassis work for this Volkswagen thing. Brand new front beam, new suspension parts, build the motor for it. So if that's something you'll be interested in, give me a follow, like this video, and hope to see you all soon. Plenty more content coming where this came from.